Ndewon Afambuchomoji, aka Adandigo, aka Chibibiti, Beauty, Brains, and Talent. I'm just here to tell you that I have had enough of the insults. Yeah, I've had enough of it. I've been reading your comments. I've had enough of it. First, I will never go to anybody's inbox or anywhere to write or type nonsense because of tribe. Most of you doing tribalistic war. Are you people in real life? Like, I want to understand. Do you have real life transactions? Do you have bosses? Do you have colleagues? Or you just do this on Twitter to fool yourself or to disgrace your family members? I don't know. I've been so calm. These days I've been so calm, preaching peace. But you think that you can just come and write me anything. This is the third time and I'm going to share it. And from now henceforth, I'm telling you, if I see something like this, you will not like it. And most of the people doing this, they are very manipulative. I don't do tribal war. I don't fight against tribe. I love all tribes. Yes, because I interact with them real life. Why should I come on social media and become a sort of asshole? Why should I even do that? No. The day I did my physics, let me just give you an example. The day I did my physics lecture, right? Okay. Somebody tagged somebody. Oh, come and challenge this person. Somebody tagged somebody to it. You say you know physics, come and challenge this person. Guess what? The idiots, the monfu, the crocodile. Guess what he did? He said, how would you be tagging me to a pig? I saw it. I let it slide. I didn't do you anything. I didn't do you anything. That's to show you how God will punish you. So you wanted me to come and reply. I know what you wanted. So I come and reply in petty. They say you should come and solve physics. You are calling me a pig. On what level? They say come and solve physics. You are bringing tribe to it. Is your brain that empty that you are bringing tribe to it? I don't understand. I kept him quiet. Like I was not in that mood. Because I don't want anything to distract me. I have Yoruba fans too. And I love them. Shout out to them. Right? Yes. Another day, I saw what somebody wrote on their platform. They tagged me. They said my mother. They tagged me and said my mother was in one picture. One stupid picture that he posted. Said my mother was in one black American picture. You tagged me and insulted my mother. I kept quiet. As if that's not enough. My last post, I just put something yesterday and I just said, how do I look? And one bleaching idiot wrote that I look like a dog. That I looked like a dog. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I don't do tribal. I don't know where they intend to take it to, but I refused. Nobody can manipulate me into fighting one another. No, I love my neighbor as myself, but I'm going to treat you individually. I'm telling you. I've been so calm to see if this nonsense will stop. Why? Like, what have I done to you guys? What? You're calling me a dog? And you look like a bleaching yellow, I don't know, roasted corn or roasted plantain. What's your problem? Guys, I've been pissed. It's annoying. Don't bring your madness to my post and don't think other people will support you. They won't support you. They won't support you. So if you're doing your tribal, you're doing because you don't have a future. So all these people fighting against you really don't have. Before I reply you have replied me and you have said something. It's morning. I just woke up this morning and I'm not in that mood because checking my phone and seeing this is very disgusting. Very, very disgusting. Please, kindly avoid my post. Just avoid me. Just kindly avoid me. I'm here to bring people together, but if you say you don't want, just get out because we are not of the same IQ and level. You're probably coming from the pit of hell. And that's why you don't recognize that different regions, different tribes with their regions, the same human beings, you don't recognize. I'm not begging you because the next time I'm going to see it, I'm going to drag your ass. I promise you. And for the record, it's your mother. Your mother look like that dog. And for the other idiot, it's your mother, your father, or your family members that look like a pig. Leave me, let me solve my physics. Leave me, let me do my thing. No, I've been quiet. Please, mind your business. Just mind your business. Mind your business. So tomorrow you say she has replied. Mind your business. Let me just be doing my thing peacefully. I don't want trouble. I have not been looking for trouble. I really don't want trouble. Please mind your business. Thank you all. I love you to all my fans all over the world. Everyone supporting me. Please also look at my YouTube channel. Please try to subscribe to my physics YouTube channel and to my entertainment YouTube channel. Also here I'm going to put it. Please subscribe. Thank you.